Now we are on fake it till you make it. If you tell me that I need to fake it to make something, who am I? Because I'm not a fake person. Do I look fake to you? Do I look like I'm an AI robot walking around? No. You see, you can't pick fake apples from an original tree. You can only pick original apples from an original tree. So did the tree that you planted, were that tree fake? Or was it the original seed that you planted? Because I can't walk around saying I'm going to fake it till you make it, because then you're not original. You're not. So be yourself. Act unapologetically and be yourself. Don't fake it till you make it. Because you can still be yourself and make it. That's all I'm going to say about this.